back to reality, Holly.
Nice long hair.
Oh, you got nice long hair. Si Jan kumuha lang ng snacks and apples
Where from?
in the shop, and then you're gonna have lunch. Order. Oo. Kasi wala pa tayong mga pagkain dito sa bahay, so mag-grocery ako after
Are we
nila.
gonna pick up
Umalis.
Nana today? Are we gonna pick Nana up today?
What are we gonna pick up, Nana? We're gonna see Nana maybe later.
Okay.
Okay. What did you say?
I got tons of layers on me. So first, second, and third, and fourth.
Because it
And then I
is...
only got 2 layers on here.
Yeah, may leggings din siyang black sa bago yung pants siya. Because it's really...
Cold, and guys, I have to be at school because I miss so much school because I love my holidays with my family.
Oh, yeah. And si Kuya, naka-jumper siya ngayon. Where are you? Ayan si Kuya. Si Sak. Oh, yeah, sinusundan natin si Kuya nito. Oh, la si Kuya.
What are you doing?
Ano? Si Sak nag-toothbrush lang. Ayan, dumating na si Jan. Ino-orderan niya na yung mga bata sa school. And ito yung binili ni Jan na green apples, roll-ups. So, yan yung snack nila. And yung breakfast nila, may tira kaming garlic bread kagabi. Okay, Baba?
This is my breakfast to eat.
Ano, okay. Tigda-dalawa sila nito. Ilan ba laman nito? Yeah, 6. Yan lang ang baon niya. Bawi tayo bukas, ha? Ay, good night. Good luck. Love you.
Wait, jacket on. Put him back there, man.
This is... Okay, see you, Kuya. Love you. Good luck sa school. Ihatid sila ni Jan. Kasi papunta rin ng Mount si Jan. And ako mag-grocery ko mamaya. Grocery tayo. Anong oras na ba? 12:08. And tinanong ako ni Jan kung marunong pa raw ako mag-drive. Kasi 6 weeks tayong hindi nakapag-drive. Siyempre, marunong pa. Nasaan na yung key? Maganda na tayo. Malamig, pero may araw. So, ayan. 3 layer ako. Tingnan natin yung ating sunnies. Ito from Studios. Tama ba? Lagi ko ito Sunnies Studios. Natapunan to ng coffee nung nasa Bali tayo. Na accidentally na tapon ni Sophie yung kabibili lang na coffee ng mami niya. So, ayan, may mga bubbles siya. Siguro hugasan ko to. Ang init pa naman nun. Hindi niya naman sinasadya. Okay. Nasaan yung key? Yun ang hinahanap ko. So, mamimili tayo ng ating mga kakailanganin. Nasaan nilagay ni Jan ang susi? Baon, tapos yung mga lulutuin. Alam nyo ba, ang request ni Jan na dinner tonight is schnitzel with Aussie topping. Yung beef. So, yan ang aking lulutuin. Sa mga bata, hindi ko pa alam. So, tingnan lang tayo mamaya. Okay, let's go. Hindi pa namin nalilinis guys yung yung bakuran, ang dumi ng bakuran dahil dun sa trampoline and yung mga sanga-sanga ng mga kahoy. Pinadahan-dahan ko kasi baka mahulog kayo. And magkakat si dyan ng grass dun sa dito sa harap, likod, and dun sa property and sa shed. And tumawag yung school ni Zach kasi hindi namin alam may excursion si Zach. So tinawagan lang ako kung pwedeng isama si Zach. Humingi lang sila ng consent for charity kasi yung nila. O diba? Okay, nahulog kayo guys. Ano ba yung sinasabing ko? Excursion ni Zach kasi for charity. And yung battery ko malulobat na naman. ano na lang siya, 2 bars. Kapapalit ko lang ng battery bago ako mag-opening dito ng vlog. Gamit ko na yung G7X. Pero dala ko rin yung DJI. Kasi baka hindi kasya yung ating memory. Kasi kunti na lang din to. Nag-delete lang ako. Ay, nag-transfer. Hindi nag-delete, nag-transfer. So, sige, mag-drive muna tayo and magpa-music ako, guys. Na-miss ko yung car. Na-miss kita. Ang tawag ni Jan dito sa car na to, Big Girl. Big Girl ang pangalan nito.
She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so.
Dito na tayo sa falls. Sa harapan tayo naka-park. Nakalimutan agad yung bag. Yung mga bag natin, yung eco bag. Kailangan kong bumili kasi yung iba nito dinala ko sa Pinas and iniwang ko na kila mama para magamit din nila pa namamalengke sila. Ay, na-miss ko ang falls. Alam ko, na-miss nyo rin ang falls. Oh, wala na silang no wet wipes. Para sa park. Hala, hindi na kasya yung ating chicken tenders. Wala pa akong eggs. Sabi ko ilalas ko yung eggs. Pero wala na tayong mapaglalagyan ng eggs. Hala! Yung ano pa pala? Toilet paper. Oh my God. We need toilet paper.
Big shop.
Big shop daw sabi ni nung lolo. Tomato paste. Okay, so ano natin ilalagay ito? Ay, dito. Ayan na yung itsura ng ating cart. Kailangan kumuha ng olive oil tsaka oil. And rice pa pala. Sa shop ko na lang muna pabilin si Jan ng rice kasi wala na tayong space sa ating cart.
Grocery customers can sit to the service desk, please.
Oh my God, sana natin to ilalagay, guys. Saan ko na to ilalagay? Dito na lang sa loob. Garlic aioli. Barbecue sauce. Nilagay ko na to sa top para masiksik natin yung mga ayan. Ito pa, parmesan cheese. Bayad na tayo. Kuha ako nitong tatlo muna. So, see kung kakasya yung ating pinamili. Muna natin ito para matanggal na ito dito. Namiss ko tong chicken.
Did you want the bag of peppers up there or that?
I'm just gonna put it here. Can you hold this for me for a second? Thank you.
No, okay.
Oh, that's a lot.
Did you want to just take a bag today? Because we're actually outside.
Yes, another one.
Yeah, we're only outside.
Say how we got it.
Okay, thank you.
You have a fly back, Tyler?
Do you have the card? Yeah.
Yes, you can.
I can put the oil.
have your arms. No, super light. Dakota. There. I like it. So far. Oh, yes.
Okay, we're done here sa coast. Pupunta pa ako sa ano ba yun? May isa pa akong siya pupuntahan aside sa Baker's Delight para sa bread. Punta pa tayo ng nakalimutan ko. Malapit sa Kmart. Nai-miss ko yung mga bata sa ganitong mga situation kasi sila ay malaking tulong sa akin pag nag-grocery tayo. So next stop is Baker's Delight. Hiningal ako Baker's Delight. Thank you so much. You too. Guys, dati diba may Foodland dito sa may Kmart? Wala na. Sarado siya Wala na rin yung pangalan niyang Foodland. Dito tayo sa Asian store. Silang eggs. Bakit walang eggs? Walang eggs. Kinabahan ako nandito pala sa fridge. Kuha ako ng garlic kasi yung nakuha ko sa Coles, kunti lang yun. Punta tayo dito sa ito yung Margaret Street. Kuha tayo ng schnitzel ni Jan. Dito tayo sa Premium Butcher. Ayan. Sana meron Ito lang schnitzel andito. Okay, see ya! Ito na yung schnitzel ni Jan. Uwi na tayo. Magluluto na tayo. Yung mga bata, ayan na. Kabababa lang din nila sa bus. Ayan na yung aking mga anak. Dito na tayo, guys.
Fire.
Fire? Oh, si Kuya, chinek niya agad yung fireplace. Wala nang wood. Ayan, wala na. Hindi umuwi si Jan. Busy na yun si Jan sa boat. Hi, baby! How was your day?
Good. I like it.
You love it. You like it.
Where'd you go today?
What your teacher said about your hair?
She said that was nice and I like it. I wish I had that here.
Oh. What's that, Zachary? What's that?
Oh, you went down, Cat. I tried to and you didn't stick and went down, Cat.
What's that, lollies?
No, it was just sticky.
Oh, okay. No, it's there, Baba. Come on, help mommy now, son.
This?
Yeah?
Because I was
Change now, please.
because I was being very nice today and she liked my hair. And then I got to have the prize book and I was
This is a
listening.
present.
And I was listening.
Good listening. Okay, let's go. Because I have to cook daddy's schnitzel. Come on.
Are we going to search for no, what are we doing?
I got chicken, roasted chicken, if you want. But
Do you have
I don't know
any?
if I have rice.
Do you have rats?
Not
That's
yet.
here.
Huh? That's here? Oh, that's good.
Daddy!
Careful, careful, careful.
Daddy! What was you buying there, John?
Nothing, love.
Thanks for picking us up, Dad.
Yeah, do it yourself.
Hi guys!
You had to come get us.
Why?
I want to see all my dances toys that
alright.
Package!
You only just put some on, babe.
Butter popcorn!
Babe,
No, TJ.
you do what TJ.
TJ did.
Good girl.
You give this to I when she grows and goes.
Oh, yeah. Did what they say about your hair, Bubba.
Nice. I won this
How'd you win that?
when I was restricted like my hair. I was doing this and then I was playing this game
Good job,
with
Ina.
sports.
One more.
Yeah,
muscle.
Johnny.
And I kept doing it. I kept getting
I put wood in.
so I won this.
Yeah, I put some on, I'll get.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is small.
Alright.
I can't. Johnny! Johnny! Quick! Quick! Come on, Zach, quick! Quick, come on, Zach!
Come on, help him. Oh, yeah.
Daddy! This one's not really a dress. This one's not really a dress.
Yes, we have to put it somewhere where we can
That's all. No.
Check out your school name, mate.
That's it.
Yeah, because you went last on the train, mate. Have a stretch. Just a stretching.
She gave me a writing book.
Trinay ko yung yung Red Rock Deli na crostini. Yung crackers na ang flavor niya is parmesan and black pepper. Masarap siya.
Did you open it?
Yeah,
Cargo, though.
Ha?
Have cargo more.
Good.
Oh, there's one more.
Go get it, please.
Go, Zach. Let me go toilet. Oh, I think me scrunchies too,
Yeah.
Mum.
Huh?
Scrunchies too. They're good. More scrunchies. Yummy. What is it? More scrunchies.
So, etong mga fruits, bukas ko na lang to hugasan. Ilagay ko muna sa fridge. Bukas, ilalagay ko sila dito. But for now, sa fridge muna kasi magluluto pa tayo. Magluluto pa ako. Eto, pwede ko na silang ipaghiwa-hiwalay para magkasya sila sa ref. Sa apple. And on.
Orange on fridge.
Ah, orange. You want? I have mandarin. Cold,
Wait, is
okay.
there any seeds in this?
No, this is not orange.
Well, they're crunchy. I can hear it from here.
What do you think of the apple?
Mom,
What?
crunchy?
Describe your apple.
What?
Crunchy.
Juicy.
And good?
Sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah.
Mm. So that's good too. Mhm.
Do you want me to put this next one in there?
Yes, help mommy please.
Okay, let me just
Put your, I have the roll-ups.
Do you have more?
Yeah.
Oh, you got the big pack.
Yes.
Wow, you never get the big pack. You're the
Yes, I did.
They're only the small pack.
Oh, because you want different flavor.
These have.
No, I got that one before. I got big one before.
Oh, okay.
Quality doon.
I'm done here, guys. You can see my hand waving. I'm gonna put this at the gate, Mom.
Yeah, please. Ako magbabalik ng
But
Ano,
the blue will
ng-
just destroy it.
Sak, are you gonna have mashed potato?
Mom, don't cook me schnitzel.
Okay.
I'm the one in the fridge.
Okay, may tira pa kasi kagabi, di ba nag-schnitzel sila yung chicken. Si Jan kasi hindi niya gusto ang chicken, mas gusto niya ang beef. So, si Jan, how about you, Sak? Sak, how about you?
Schnitzel flavored mashed potato.
Alright.
Mom, you don't know
Okay.
how many I'm gonna make this. I'm not even joking. Look, I'm
Ito yun
starting
siya.
off with the floor.
Yun siya. Oh.
Dog. Not going to finish. Alright, I put that up. Oh my god, I dropped them, guys, don't worry. Or I can sit down, I forgot we're not on gravel. Oh, I did that.
What time? I'm with you. I'll protect you.
Mom, this has to be the roll up.
I got Oreo there too, homie.
Yeah, I saw it. It's the mini Oreos.
It's alright, just put it, Baba.
You got me, don't worry.
I'm making it neat because yes, please. You said yes, please, and I said neat. I'll put it neat.
Hey, sorry, George. It's A, B, C, the door. Okay, thank you, please. Okay, you coming?
Alright, there's one basket nice and neat.
Okay, the Oreo. Find the Oreo.
The Oreos are here.
Which one is it? Which one
And the Oreos will go in the fruit roll. Why did I say fruit?
Yeah, you can put it like this way, Baba. Like the Oreo can go on at the back, so you can see the Oreo.
Oh.
It's just trying hard.
Okay. Maybe go to what? No.
I know exactly what I'm gonna do. So all I need to do is and place the Oreos just like this. Yes, Mom, we got the white ones too. We got the white ones.
What white one?
Mini white Oreos.
Yeah, not the strawberry. You don't want the strawberry one.
Or the chocolate one. I don't like chocolate.
You like the vanilla?
Yeah, I like the milk. The vanilla one's my favorite.
Got the.
I think that's enough for this one.
Bang!
Alright, some more packets of chips.
At least want one of those spicy ones.
Eto,
Oh, you
kailangan
got
ko
the
sila.
long packets.
Kailangan ko to i-separate para malagay natin sa freezer yung ating shortcut na bacon.
You got some Remington.
This one, Mama. This one, you don't have to put this
I don't
one.
know how to put these ones, Mommy. I don't know how to put the big long one. I need
What?
the young one.
Ah, no. That's alright, that one.
That's alright. So guys, I'm gonna put all the cold stuff into the fridge, guys. So we're gonna mostly there's yogurt slurp and your cold. So we'll put that in there.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive.
Okay, done.
The open chocolate. What do you think? Eating these, Mommy? Have you been eating them? Yes.
Mom,
We got some koala, guys.
Do you like lemon crisp?
got top pizza, separate.
Oh, I think Dad does.
I love this, Mom.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Okay, what else? This is
What
all.
about the Remington?
That's not okay. So, yung mga snacks na lang.
The wraps can go in the cabinet.
Yan na lang. And I have vitamins here for you, kids.
Wait, what flavor are they?
Napiprito na pala ako ng schnitzel. Hinati ko kasi sobrang laki ang haba, hindi kasya sa pan. And of course, my mama is, ayan, kausap ko na naman siya. Balik kami sa LDR. Hi, Mother. LDR tayo. Ulit. So, eto na yung dinner ni Johnny Boy. Ang first luto natin after holiday. Eto yung request niya talaga. Beef schnitzel with OC topping. Han, here! Reklamo siya, mas marami raw yung kay dad niya. Hindi niya kasi nauubos. How's the peas and carrots? The potato?
Jack.
Sak, how's the mashed potato?
And Will is aiming to become the first Australian to win 2 sailing gold medals. But after the wind died off,
Good? Good, Han? That's smart. And naghiwa akong French bread. And then lagyan natin ng butter para kay Johnny Boy. Papasubo siya sa daddy niya. So, linagay ko na lang dyan yung mashed potato niya. Akala ko mag-chicken siya eh. Si Sak, hindi pa siya tapos. Babalikan niya raw to. Hala, wala na akong, ano guys, bye-bye now. Full ng memory. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Full ng memory.
'Cause I think I do want you next to me.